I just know that like if people knew how much we spend just on videos,
All right, how much do you spend on videos?
uh, it's like the robot, for example, was $250,000 for the robot, just for the robot.
Mhm.
It comes with like software. We pay for maintenance, we pay for updates and all that stuff. Just for the robot that sits there with 3,000 pounds of steel weights on the ends of it.
By the way, Dan, don't get any ideas.
It's pretty nuts. I love that thing though, and I'm glad we did it. And whether or not it pays for itself, I don't even know how to define that. The cameras. So the DSMC2 Red cameras from a few years ago were about 70 grand each. Red recently came out with their DSMC3 cameras, 25 grand each. What do you think I'd do with the old cameras? No one wants to buy those. I traded them in at Adorama and I got like 10 grand for them.
Wow.
Gigantic
what a
L.
drop.
Huge L.
Wow.
But like,
That's worse than some of these NFTs out here.
yeah, it's almost as bad as some of the NFTs. But like that's the thing that we're willing to take because we like making high quality videos with this stuff.
What's your company's expenses at the end of the year? How much are you spending in a
No
year?
clue. You'd have to ask my mom. My mom runs.
Does your mom do?
She runs the expenses.
Wow,
She runs
she's your
all the
CFO.
finance. Exactly.
Okay.
Yes. So she could tell you what payroll is, what income
Guesstimate.
streams are.
What a-
I mean, payroll is the biggest expense. We
7
have 12
figures, 8
people.
figures?
It is 7 figures.
Wow.
Yeah, comfortably. But it's like that's payroll. Our biggest expense is probably taxes. And then we
course.
have the studio space, which we don't own. So we pay to rent, which New Jersey's pretty, it's not New York expensive, but it's pretty good. And then we buy a lot of devices. We buy a lot of equipment for making the videos. And then we have the once in a while like robot arm thing happen. So yeah.
But that makes it worthwhile.
yeah. Yeah.
Because if you hate what you do, how can, like you're saying you won't experience burnout.
Yeah.
It's because you love what you do.
And
You
we
have the
try
freedom to
random-
do it. No one's telling you what kind of content or how to make it. I feel like that's the beauty of why you're not experiencing burnout.
That's true. And we do get to try new things and like have fun with it and do things that other channels aren't doing. And that's really fun.